At AMG Quality Services, innovation is our core. We're thrilled to unveil a major upgrade, the OEMS system now enhanced with AI capabilities. Introducing Jack the Bot, your AI-powered virtual assistant. Jack is designed to revolutionize your operations, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. Hosted on a secure infrastructure, Jack ensures your data is protected while providing cutting-edge assistance. Jack the Bot offers a range of powerful features. It helps you develop procedures tailored to your needs. Jack analyzes documents and engineering drawings, identify critical features and dimensions, and ensuring accuracy and compliance. Its ability to analyze HSE images and identify non-compliance issues with regulatory standards is unmatched. Enhance productivity and drive efficiency. The future of AI-powered quality and HSE management systems is here. The OEMS system designed to amaze.